Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how Locksmith is coding Ford Taurus chip key, including the keyless entry. This is a necessary procedure for all Ford transponder keys, regardless if you have a keyless entry on the key or not. Enjoy! What kind of car is it?
This is a Ford Taurus.
Okay.
So we got the remotes to program simply by turning the key off and on 8 times in the ignition.
8 times.
The doors will cycle. Once the door cycles, you start to press the buttons. Now we're going to program the chip inside the new key.
Yeah.
We have to go to Ford. We're going to go to Taurus 2008 key. This is the working key for the customers. We have a new key in the ignition.
Here's the new
Ignition
key.
is on. We're going to add a key.
We are hooked up to the OBD, right?
Yep, let the machine do. Success. Very quick when it comes to Ford.
And that's it, we're good to go. That's as long as you have a working key.
Well, even if you don't have a working key.
Even if you don't have a working key, as the locksmith says. That's it?
That's it.
Thanks for watching.